What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Crest Classic DLX 220. Let's climb inside and check out some of the features. So see on the transom there, we do have the full sun pad sitting layout on this. That backrest does move in 3 different positions, so you can face off the back, look up the front, or put it in the middle for kind of a couch on either side. You'll see we do have the dual captain's chairs here as well. Great spot for your co-pilot to be hanging out. You'll see here we do have our hook 5 here for your fish finder from Lowrance. All your rocker switches down there for all your lights and accessories. So step forward here, you see underneath my feet here, we do have the ski storage, plenty of storage down there for fishing poles, skis, or just whatever you guys need to stow. And up here in the front, we do have kind of a traditional look for a pontoon. We have storage underneath all of the seats, as well as cup holders and speakers up here. So it makes it a great spot for you guys to hang out up front. If you guys have any questions about Crest, hop on to MarineMax.com and check out all of our other inventory from Crest. If you guys have any additional questions outside of that, you can contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.